like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle. Let's get right into this wig. So today's gorgeous wig is brought to you by the lovely people of Unice. I got an elastic band and some wig caps in my box. Also, I got this edge brush with the removable top, and I was like, that's cute. Well, I wonder why they have a removable top. And girl, I looked at the rest of my edge brushes and they were all gummy and gunky. So since this is a peel and stick install, they sent me some additional ear tabs. There's actually some that have been pre-installed, and y'all, when I tell you they know me so well, look at these curls. But who told them to do this? I love the oingy boinginess. I love the luster. I am a sucker for some pretty hair, and this is it. So this is a pre-everything wig, okay? So it comes pre-curled, right? It's already pre-cut in this zigzag pattern around the hairline. Here's a little quick look at the inside cap construction. This is a 13x4, so it's been pre-plucked, pre-bleached. Inside the cap, there is this elastic adjustable strap, and that is for added security for a very snug fit. We also have this nape comb. Right below that are some adjustable straps. There's this anti-slip silicone material on the perimeter, and there's my favorite. That's my girl, that's my bestie, the drawstring. I love drawstring so much. I love drawstring wigs. The way that this thing cinches and locks into place, when I tell you, you don't have to worry about this coming off. So let me go ahead and get this on my head. I'm gonna adjust my strap and put it on, girl. Let's see what's under this bonnet. I hope you're ready for nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. I'm excited because I'm going to wear this completely glueless. So I'm about to show you why they call this a pre-everything wig. I'm gonna put this on, and there's gonna be nothing additional that I'm going to need to do unless I wanna feel extra, and of course I do. You see that? Like, come on. So here is the ear tab tape, and I got really excited and I went ahead and peeled that bad boy off before I was ready. You wanna make sure that you don't have any additional hairs roaming around, that every single hair is accounted for, otherwise it will find a way to get into your tape and mess up your install. Later on, I'm gonna use some mousse and elastic band for my hairline, but before I do that, I just tippity tap, tap, tap on that temple, girl, and it is installed. Peel and stick. It's like arts and crafts, girl. You see that? And it's on. And I mean it's on. So I'm gonna add some mousse directly to my hairline and brush it back because there's a difference. You see the difference right there? So that's one side already completed. I'm gonna go ahead and do my whole head. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my elastic band, which smacked me in the face. I don't appreciate that. I left the elastic band on for 20 minutes and let it marinate. And then when I removed it, girl, that hairline was melted. Look at that. The only thing I don't like with using this method is sometimes it's a little crunchy. So I'm gonna break that cast up. But before I do, I'm going to engage this elastic drawstring and make sure that it is comfy, snug on my head, and fits snug around my nape. Now, girl, this is on, honey. This is baby proof. This is a baby proof, toddler proof drawstring wig, all right? You know how strong they are. I'm going to break up the cast of that mousse on my hairline with a little bit of spray wax because sometimes it can look a bit too harsh. All right, so here's a phenomenon that nobody talks about. I never had edges, all right? Once I grew my edges in, now all of a sudden I know how to do baby hairs on a wig. Now, what is that? What part of the game is that? I'm trying to break up the cast from that mousse on my hairline, and then I just start doing my baby hairs. Now, tell me why this was so easy. If you would have told me 2 years ago that I needed to grow actual baby hairs in first so I could have the knowledge of how to do baby hairs, I would have been like, girl, what you talking about? But I'm telling you, them edges look nice, don't they? So this is gorgeous. Look at this wig. Look at how pretty that is. This hair is all up and down my Pinterest page because I feel like even with simple hairstyles, hair like this just looks so elegant. Here's what the back looks like. You see all that volume? So this came pre-curled and I comb my curls out. So I'm gonna put them right back in. I'm using a little bit of Got2b spray and my heat protectant, and I'm gonna go to work, girl. Okay, so I'm gonna explain the thought process behind this, what I'm about to do. I thought maybe a thermal roller right at the top of the crown of my head could add a little bit of volume, but I chose to not use the roller correctly, and I just want a little bump. Okay, a little 90s bump, little cute little 90s bump. But then I said, you know what, that's a bit too much. So I decided against it. I did use one for my bang. So I went ahead and changed for y'all. I'm taking out this roller. So initially, I just want to use my fingers to break up this curl. I just love seeing this result. And then eventually I combed it out to get more of a soft, cascading wave kind of curl. It is such a simple hairstyle. There's literally nothing that you need to do for it to look this good, because it looks this good already straight out the package. Thank you so much, Unice, for sending me this gorgeous wig. And listen, I'm not gonna stop talking about it. I'm gonna shout this mess from the rooftop, okay? The reason why I loved synthetic wigs so much is because they came out the package looking dope. You put them on, you don't have to worry. Now, the synthetic wigs nowadays, you do have to do a lot more customization than you had to back in the day. This is just like it, and it's human hair, and it's gorgeous, and it's long. And you can do different styles with it because you can actually use heat. And I mean high heat. You can't use high heat on the synthetic wigs now. But this is gorgeous. The hairline looks natural. Everything about this is chef's kiss. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna make sure I put all the information about this wig in the description box below. I'll talk to you guys later. And I hope you guys have a safe and healthy New Year's. I hope you walk through this year with the mindset of being intentional. I hope you crush your goals. We're gonna do this. We can get through it together, y'all. I will talk to y'all later, and I love you. Bye.